me. Where are you?
I'm in the school looking for you. Why weren't you at my place?
Where are you right now?
On the first floor.
Where? Where are you exactly?
The swimming pools?
Get to the lobby. Go now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Why did you come? What are you doing here?
Because you asked me to.
I asked you to.
Why do I get a feeling you didn't send this message?
Because I didn't. Right, did you drive here?
Jackson did.
Jackson's here
And Lydia,
too?
what's going on? Who sent this text?
Where are you?
Finally. Can you go now?
We're at the school. Dad, we're at the school. The kitchen. The door out of the kitchen leads to the stairwell.
Which only goes up.
Up is better than here. Jackson, how many people can fit in your car? 5 if someone squeezes on someone's lap.
5. I barely fit in the back.
It doesn't matter. There's no getting out without drawing attention.
Tries inhaling sulfuric acid. No, this is insane. You can't do this. You cannot go out there.
I can't just sit here waiting for Styles Dad to check his messages.
You could die. Don't you get that? He's killed 3 people.
And we're next. Somebody has to do something.
Scott, just stop. Do you remember when you told me you knew whether or not I was lying, that I had to tell? So do you. You're a horrible liar, and you've been lying all night. Just please don't go. Please don't leave us. Please.
Lock it behind me. All right, can we not argue for half a second here?
Where's Scott? They should be back by now. Back by now. Back by now. Back by now. Back by now.
Do you hear that?
Allison! You okay?
My dad's on his way.
You need anything from me? I'm gonna go with you.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I And I also don't know what happened to you in there. I don't know what you're thinking. Maybe you weren't, but right now I don't feel like I can trust you.
Allison, I can explain.
I don't care.
Just, hey, don't say anything else. Please, just don't say anything.
Scott,
Hey,
I
Allison,
can't.
just stop. Please, just don't say anything. Styles' dad is gonna get me right home. I need to make sure my mom isn't freaking out. I'm gonna get a new phone tomorrow morning, and
Scott.
I'm gonna get a new phone. I'm gonna give you a call.
Don't.